In a stunning political shift, BJP's Parvesh Verma has defeated AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal in the high-profile New Delhi constituency. Kejriwal trailed by over 4,000 votes after 14 rounds of counting. This is more than just an election result. It marks the fall of AAP's biggest leader in his own bastion and the rise of a new BJP heavyweight in Delhi politics. So, who is Parvesh Verma and what does this victory mean? We break it down. Parvesh Verma, born on November 7, 1977, comes from a powerful political lineage. He studied at Delhi Public School R.K. Puram and later at Kirori Mal College, Delhi University, before earning an MBA from the Ford School of Management. His father, Sahib Singh Verma, was a senior BJP leader and a former chief minister of Delhi. His uncle, Azad Singh, served as the mayor of North Delhi and contested the 2013 assembly elections on a BJP ticket. Verma stepped into politics in 2013, winning the Mehrauli assembly seat by defeating Congress veteran Yoganand Shastri. A year later, he entered parliament, winning the West Delhi Lok Sabha seat in 2014 and retaining it in 2019 with a record-breaking margin of over 5.78 lakh votes against Congress's Mahabal Mishra. However, he chose not to contest the 2024 elections. During his time as MP, Verma served on key parliamentary committees, including those on urban development and salaries and allowances of MPs. But his political career has not been without controversy. In 2020, the Election Commission banned him for 24 hours after he called Arvind Kejriwal a terrorist during the Delhi Assembly poll campaign. Now, after defeating Kejriwal in New Delhi, he has emerged as one of the BJP's most prominent faces in the capital. With this win, speculation is high. Will Parvesh Verma be the BJP's chief ministerial face in Delhi? His victory over Kejriwal cements his place as a key player in Delhi's political landscape. Whether he leads the BJP's next big charge in the capital is the question everyone is now asking. Stay tuned for more updates.